beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a homemade remedy that will help you to clear up your clogged pores. Now you can actually replace this in using soap, although sometimes you still have to use a soap when you use this, okay, so it's to whoop out them from your skin, okay, but you have to use a very mild soap. All right, now this remedy would help you so much in unclogging your clogged pores, removing whiteheads and blackheads, and it's going to help you to glow your skin. So if you want to know what are the ingredients in it, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Now let me walk you down through the video. Alright guys, so potato will help to remove the dark spots because potato contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin, and it's also a great remedy that removes dark spots, pigmentations, and fine lines on the skin. The starch in potato helps to tighten up a loose and saggy skin. It helps to minimize the size of your pores, and it also helps to glow your skin, making you look really young. And then we're going to be making use of yogurt. Yogurt helps in fading blemishes and pigmentation. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It treats skin infections, and it's also a great remedy that soothes sunburns. It also works in removing dark spots when used with potato, and it's also a great remedy that treats infections on the skin. Okay, now we're going to also be making use of Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now Fuller's Earth clay powder is a remedy that works in removing dead skin cells, treats oily skin, removes skin elasticity, improves the skin elasticity, and reduces scars. It fights acne and pimples, and as well as dark spots, and it's also a great remedy that absorbs oil from the skin. And then we're going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is not only a good exfoliator but also helps by slightly shrinking the size of your pores, and it also prevents dirt and other particles from clogging your pores. It is also helpful to reduce your occurrence of pimples and acne. It is therefore a great remedy that fades off dark spots. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to peel off this potato. Alright guys, so we're going to be peeling off the potato. Alright, so now we're going to be creating the potato. Now you can actually boil your potato, guys, okay, but for me I'm going to be creating mine. Alright, so here's the potato, and now we're going to be sieving the potato starch out and the potato juice. Okay, that's actually what we're going to be using. Alright, so this is how it looks like. And this juice is actually okay for our mixture. So the next thing I'm going to do is that we're going to be putting the Fuller's Earth clay powder. Then I'm also going to be putting the baking soda. 1 teaspoon is okay. I will be putting in the yogurt. We don't need too much of yogurt, guys. 1 tablespoon rather is perfect. Now we would have to mix this all up and mix it really well. And this consistency is a very good mix. Now you have to apply this on your skin every day till you get your result, till all of the dark spots fade off. Okay. Alright guys, so the thing is that I've actually had some different mixture of dark spots removal. Now if you can lay your hand on any one, use it and use it judiciously, your dark spots will be gone. Okay, so if you can see my face, my dark spots are actually really reduced. Okay, one thing about dark spots, it doesn't just disappear on your face, it fade off. Okay, and you can see my face, my dark spots are actually fade off really well because I follow it judiciously every day. Okay, in applying this. Okay, and then you rub it all through like that. Okay, for a faster and a more quicker result, you have to rub it on those areas in which you have dark spots. Okay. On those areas that you are experiencing dark spots, like for me, you can see here I have dark spots. I have some around here and some here. Okay, now if you use this treatment for 2 weeks and you don't see any improvements or results, you would have to check for another one. Maybe this particular one didn't go well on your skin, but of course for me it has actually been helping me a whole lot. Okay, now after you've applied it generously onto your skin, the next thing you would do is to we'll give it a scrub. You're going to notice some little particles, and those particles are from the baking soda. Okay, so you just give it a little scrub, not too much. Okay, you don't scrub off your face because you want your dark spots to go in just one night. Dark spot does not go in one night, but of course it will fade off from the very first day you start using it. Okay, so what you do is to scrub it really well. Scrub. Okay guys, so there are some people who have these pimples on their face. Now let me tell you one of the things in which one of the things for you to do that will help you in getting rid of pimples on your face every night. Like you have to wash your face in the morning and remove those excessive oil that your skin has actually produced over the night, and then you wash your skin again in the night just to remove the ones that you've actually gathered throughout the day. Okay, so that's how you're going to maintain an even, clear and glowing skin. And also, if you happen to have dark spots, do not forget to use this remedy and scrub it in anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Now this would whoop out those blackheads, those whiteheads. Now if you're having whiteheads and blackheads on your face and it's just hanging everywhere, know that your skin is actually dirty and not clean. So you have to look for a way to clean that up. Okay, so when you scrub a little, you begin to notice that it's going to go dry. Now, like I am now, it's beginning to go dry, and then you can leave it on your face for like 10 more minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes it's going to, you know, get dry a little, and then you can go wash it off with just normal water. Okay, and then you use a toilet soap. Make sure you follow suit with your toilet soap. Okay, and this would help you so much. All right, so I'm gonna go wash mine off after 10 to 15 minutes thereabouts. All right, and if you have an open sore on your face, it's gonna be purplish because of the baking soda. Okay, so be mindful of that. So that's it, guys. So all of this ingredient that I use in this treatment remedy is going to help you so much. Potato is one good homemade remedy, and also Fuller's Etan as well as yogurt. These things really work so well. So try it, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it because it's going to be very great and really helpful to your skin. So if you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up and share this video, and I will see you soon in my next video.